all the students here are in the Bachelor of Design and City Innovation, the BDCI. They're all first-year students. This class is one of the ones that is part of their core. It's sustainability in the built environment and introduction to sustainability in the built environment. When we've asked them what brought them here, there's a lot of them that are interested in design in general. A lot of them want to become architects, but some of them also realize they want to work on things like urban planning, or they want to do just design in general. I think everybody's motivated to try to help make things a little better. This is a tough program, and they've just been phenomenal all semester, managing a lot of different courses and a lot of complexity. So today the students have a chance to actually showcase the work that they've been doing for the last part of the semester. The class has had an emphasis on a project that they've built across the semester, starting with systems and then thinking about sustainability and what we can do right now. And now what they're presenting is what can we do in the far, far future? What would society look like if it was not just sustainable but actually regenerative? And so all their projects are focused on some element of making society better, either using ecological solutions or maybe technological solutions, or how do we rebuild after collapse, if that's what happens. And so the students have been working really hard. And what's really amazing about a Bachelor of Design is these are students who are creatives by nature. And so there isn't just one solution. There's all kinds of possible solutions. So it's really fun to hear what they have to say, to kind of get a sense of the thoughts and just the general creativity about what we could do with the future and how to end that.
So we were initially talking about our hydroponics idea because we were assigned a system more about water and resiliency, and then how to work that in with a food and circularity system. We were initially faced with the challenge of mixing those two things together. So our hydroponics system is kind of recycling water and growing produce using that water. So filtering it and growing produce. I think for a while we've kind of lost like the beauty in our world with kind of the architecture that we're building, and it's very like functional, but it doesn't really bring the community together. So I think being able to incorporate like the community and as well as the landscape will help to bring like a closer bond. This class in itself, I wasn't really expecting to take it, but I think like this might be one of my top classes, so I definitely suggest it to anybody. This program has like led me kind of to think about a lot of things. I came in thinking like definitely architecture, but I think seeing like the need in the world and like more sustainability is needed and regenerative. So I think I might like continue down that path, but I think I might incorporate more landscape qualities, thinking about even urban planning, which this program definitely highlights.
So I'm here today as a guest reviewer, taking a look at some of our BDCI students' sustainability projects. My primary role is to go around the room, meet with groups of students, and evaluate their panels for, their design ideas, but then also how they're tackling contemporary sustainability problems. I feel like the students are really thinking about sustainability broadly. It's not just a technological challenge, but it's also a social and cultural challenge. It's important because it means that we, shouldn't just think about designing for sustainability as applying hot new tech to these contemporary issues. We need to think about how these designs fit socially, culturally, politically, and environmentally into their context. I really appreciate this course because it's asking students to imagine decades into the future, and so some of these projects are wildly ambitious in their scope. But I think that's exciting, even if students haven't necessarily ironed out all the design details, they're provocations. They're getting us thinking and talking, and I think that's what the best part of today is.